Did you know Aeroflow Performance has the largest range of in-stock silicone hose in Australia? Hey guys, Pat from Aeroflow Performance, and this is kind of a did you know or a maybe you forgot about video. Everyone sort of takes silicone hoses for granted because we just see them on cars in our industry, you know, like anything modified, turbocharged, cold air intake, you know, snorkel, all that sort of thing. It's got silicone hose on it. Where does most of that come from in Australia? You guessed it, Aeroflow Performance. So I dare say, I'm going to say it, I think we have the largest in-stock range of silicone hose in Australia. The amount of variations that we have, the versions, the sizes, the specs, we've got it. I don't think anyone else here can compete with the variation you've got, which means that it's better for you guys. It's better for the trade workshops, it's better for the end user that needs to find a solution to a problem. Generally, you're going to be able to open up a catalogue and find what it is that you need in there. You can order everything you need from one place, not just the silicone, but the clamps and the fittings and the tube and all that sort of thing as well. But today we're just going to focus on the silicone. So all of our silicone is available in either a blue or black gloss finish. We've got a few different variations when it comes to sizing and the reinforcement of the silicone hose. So when you've got smaller sizes like a 1 1/4 inch through to 2 inch, the silicone has 3 ply inside it. So when you're looking inside the cross section of the silicone here, you'll see 3 or 4 layers. The 1.25 to 2 inch has 3 ply, and then the 2 inch or 2.25 and up has 4 ply. So that pertains to the strength of the silicone, so the burst pressure that it can withstand, and yet how rigid it is. It resists sucking in with vacuum, which is commonly an issue, say something like this 45 or this 90 bend that a lot of people used to put on the front of turbochargers. With a poor quality silicone and not enough reinforcement, or say like a 2 ply or a 3 ply on a 4 inch silicone like this, when you've got a turbocharger sucking in air, and especially when the filter's not maybe as free flowing as it should be, the silicone can suck in and close. So that's what the 3 ply or the 4 ply application really pertains to. So very high quality silicone that's ready to go for your performance application. When it comes to variations, you know, angles, sizing, length, etc., we've got everything from a straight reducers, also 45 and 90 degree reducers. We've got 45 degree bends, we've got 90 degree bends, we've got Z bends, as you can see. So these are great because you can make something, you know, it doesn't have to be, you're not looking for a hose that's actually that shape, you're looking for the bend, you're looking for the short section, you're looking for, you know, a straight section that then has a little bend but it stops here, so you can cut it and suit your application. We've got all these, we've got the T-pieces, you can see for blow-off valves, for example, or some sort of additional vacuum point. We've got the tight angle bends, we've got U's or 180s. We've got the bellows style, which allow a little bit more flexibility, a little bit more movement in there. We've got straight lengths of the hose as well. Depending on the sizing, we've got 3 inch length, we've got so 76 millimeters, we've got 300 millimeters or 1 foot basically, and then meter lengths if need be, in a variety of sizes all the way up to 6 inch diameter. We've also got heater hose, so reinforced heater hose. We've got the high strength heater hose. This has actually got a wire inner in it as well, so it's quite strong. That means that you can get a really nice tight curve and it doesn't crush the diameter of the hose. So you can use that to plumb, whether it's for an actual heater or if it's for a heat exchanger for a supercharger application, or you know, a water tank for any sort of intercooler, air to water intercooler. You've got that reinforced version there. Vacuum hose, tons of vacuum hose, all of the sizes that you can imagine, both in blue and black. vacuum blanking plugs in silicon. So you've got a little vacuum port on the side of a intake manifold that you need to blank off. That's ready to go, various sizes. Heater hose blanks or heater port blanks. So for the heater core or the water pump, we've got those in various sizes, 1/4, 3/8, 5/8, and 3/4 from memory. They've been a great seller actually. We've sold out of those with the first shipment, which is awesome. So all of these products we've got on the shelf at Aeroflow Performance. So it's not like, hey, we can get that if you need it. It's here, it's ready to go. I don't think there's much else, aside from vehicle specific applications, there's really not much else that you could ask for in our range of silicon. So the next time you've got a project that's going to need some sort of silicon joiner, it's going to need a flexible joiner, make sure you check out the catalog, jump on the website, call your local distributor or a quality retail outlet, and you'll know where it's at.